Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic the inexperienced ghost, and this is the class 7th, and in this chapter I have to explain the paragraph of your chapter, so listen carefully and watch out the complete video. So this chapter, it means this story has been taken from the story of the inexperienced ghost, okay, and the story has been written by the H.G. Wells, okay. So it is a part of the story, and so listen here. Here is the person, and his name was Claston, okay, and he tell to his friends about a meeting of ghost, okay. He tell to his friend that um, his encounter with a ghost. So let's read the story and know what is the result of when he met to a ghost, and how how much he says, how true his words is here, okay. So let's we made that Saturday at the club. Claystones had slept there overnight. Clayston said, "Do you know I was alone here last night? Well, I caught a ghost." Caught a ghost, did you? So first, here is a person. We met that yesterday at the club. Okay, here is the person, and the writer says to us that in the next day, the day was Saturday when he went to the club, and he find out all one night the Claston had slept there, and when he talking to the Claston, then Claston tell him that, do you know I was alone here last night. It means all night he is stay here only one, okay. Well, I caught a ghost, and next he telling him that he caught means he saw a ghost, okay. Do you know about that ghost? Ghost means a we can say that it is a unwanted soul, okay. Soul, it is the soul after the death a man became a ghost, okay. Caught a ghost, did you? And after the hearing the statement of the Claston, the Sanderson became very surprised, and he asked the question with a surprised, caught a ghost, did you? Where is it? And then he asked next question to the Claston. What is the question? Where is it? Okay. And Evans shouted. Evans also stand there, and he also shouted with loud voice, "Tell us all about it right now." It means what will be happen in the night with you, between you and ghost. Tell all story to us, okay. I don't think it will come again, even said Claston. And Claston says to his friend that, I think, it means he thought that the ghost will not come again here, okay. You mean you didn't keep it? Asked Sanderson. And Sanderson asked another question, that you mean you didn't keep it? It means you run away. Ghost is run away from here. We laughed, and Claston looked offended. Offended means humiliated, okay. The Claston became humiliated. Why? Because all the members, all his friends became laughing to listen his talk, okay. It really was a ghost. I am not joking. And next he make a pressure of his word and statement, and tell to his friend that it really was a ghost, okay. And he says that he was not joking. You talk to it, asked wish, okay. You talk to it, asked wish, asked a question. For an hour I saw him in the long passage. He was transparent and through his chest I could see the glimmer of the little window at the end. And next he explained about the ghost and his shape. Okay, he said that for an hour, okay, for an hour he saw a ghost in the passage. Okay, he saw a ghost in the passage, and that ghost was transparent. Transparent means we can see across of the object. Okay, so that object will be transparent, and same as the ghost is also a transparent. And through his chest I could see the glimmer. And he tell about the ghost that his chest became glimmer. Glimmer means light shining. Okay, light shining of the little window at the end. Okay, and he saw that when he moving on, and then he saw a little light through the window at the end. And he looked as though he did not know what he was meant to do. Okay, and when the cluster is so seeing the ghost, then he did not know that what the ghost was meant to do here. Okay, and he was lean. It means cluster tell the shape of the ghost that he was lean, his chest will glimmered. Okay, and he looks like a transparent. Okay, it is the uh, feature of the ghost. Okay, and he had a small head with a scrubby hair. Scrubby hair means very short. Okay, his hair, it means ghost hair, is very short and narrow shoulders, and his shoulder was very narrow. Narrow means very lean. Okay, lean. We can say that it is a in term of short. His short jacket has a torn down collar. Okay, his short jacket, it means he wore a jacket, and his jacket was turn down collar. It means he looks like a gentleman. Okay, when a person take a farmer dress, then he put down his collar, and then he looks like a gentleman. And such as the ghost also turn down his collar, and he looks like a gentle ghost. Okay, the trousers were a little friday. Okay, fried means with a thread that are starting to come apart. Okay, at the heels. Okay, heels means you know very well about that. It is the legs part. And I saw him as I came up. Okay, when then cluster said that when he came here, then he saw him. Okay, it means he saw the ghost. I stopped dead at that, taking him in. Okay, I was not a bit afraid. And then he tell about the ghost that when he saw him, he completely stopped and looked like a dead. Okay, the ghost was looked like a dead and taking him in. Okay, and he, it means ghost, he take the ghost inside the room, and he tell that he was not afraid to seeing the ghost as a bit. I was, bit means a small part, afraid, looking afraid. Okay, when you look any dangerous thing, then you afraid very largely, and you never want to talk him. But here he said that he's not any bit. It means a small part. He did not afraid to seeing the ghost. I was surprised and interested. And the cluster said that when he saw the ghost, then he became very surprised and became interested to looking the ghost. I suppose he realized I was there, and he said that when he supposed he realized, it means ghost was realized that the cluster was there and looking him. He turned, and I saw the face of young man. We stood and regarded one another. Okay, and next his all friends will stood there and recorded one another. It means they wanted to accepted that the person saying the story is true or false. Then he turned around, draw himself up, raised his arms, and came toward me. Okay, and when the cluster looks all the faces, looks his all friends' faces, he understands that they are try to understand or they are accept to my all statement that I say. Okay, and after the thinking, he turned round and drew himself, raised his arms, and came toward all his friends. Okay, his little jaw dropped and he imitated means let out. Okay, imitated means let out a faint. Okay, faint means unconscious. Faint means unconscious, drawn out boo. Okay, and next he said that his little jaw dropped, and he imitated a faint, drawn out boo. I was not frightened. Boo, I said. Nonsense, you don't belong here. What are you doing? Okay, the question says about the ghost, and he said that the ghost name was Boo. Okay, ghost name was Boo, and his little jaw dropped, and he imitated a fan. Okay, drawn out Boo. I was not frightened. And next, when the cluster says to the ghost that he was not frightened, not afraid, Boo, then I said, nonsense, you don't belong here. It means then the cluster says to the ghost that it is not necessary to come here. Why? Because you didn't belong here. Why are you doing? What are you doing here? He moved a little and said, I am a ghost. Then, confused and awakened, I am haunting, he said. Okay, but when the reaction of the cluster is normal, the ghost become very surprised and he wanted to say that I am a ghost. Okay, I am a ghost, and he till that he was completely confused and awoke. Awoke means worried, and he then confused and awoke. I am haunting. Haunting means he wanted to try to afraid him. Okay, afraid to the Claystons. Okay, he said that may be, but you can't haunt here. Okay, the cluster wanted to regard it of the ghost and says that it is not place where you playing haunting. Okay, you can't haunting here. This is a club, not your ghost house. People often stay here with their children. Okay, and he tell to the ghost this is the public place, and many of the parents will come with his or her child, and some poor little child could be scared out of her wits. Okay, it means when they looks you, then they became afraid, and he became uh, in coma, just like that, unconscious or in coma or depression. Okay, so it is not fair for the children's. Okay, some poor little. Okay, I suppose you didn't think of that. Okay, I suppose you didn't think of that. And he said that I think you did not want such type of the deeds. No, sir, he said, I didn't. And next, the host replied that he did not want to afraid of the little baby or children. Coming here was a mistake, I said in a tone of friendly superiority. If I were you, I had vanished right now. And then the ghost said that here he coming here was a mistake. It is a short mistake when he came here. Okay, I said. Next, the question says that in a tone of friendly spirit, he said to his friendly superiority. Superiority means to make his highness. Okay, that it is. Uh, if I were you, it means if I was in place of you, I was a ghost, then I did not come here anytime and I completely vanished. Vanished means invisible. Okay, I had completely invisible right now here. Okay, he looked embarrassing, and when the ghost is listening this statement, he completely embarrassed. Okay, he feeling embarrassing. The fact is, sir, that somehow I can't. Okay, somehow I can't. Then he asked to the cluster what he asked. The fact is, sir, that somehow I can't. Okay, it means he could not invisible or vanished from here right now. Okay, no, you can't. Then cluster became very surprised, and he make a question that you can't. The ghost replied that no, sir, I have been here since midnight. There's some little things that has slipped me and I can't get back. Okay, it means the ghost says to the question that from since midnight he stay here, and there are some little things. It means some of the important elements that he has slipped from his hand or his pocket or his coat. Okay, and he could not he could not vanish, or he cannot get back from his life. It means his own world. Okay, it means we can say that it may be a ghost world. Okay, in ghost world. Okay, come into my room. Come into my room and tell me more about it, I said, and I tried to take him by the arms, but of course you might as well have tried to take hold of a puff of smoke. Here we are, I said, and sat down in the chair in my room. Sit down. Tell me all about it. Okay, next, when the ghost tell him about all his mischievous, then the question, it means the person who tell the story. Question is a person that tell the story of his friends, that he tell to the ghost that come into my room and tell me more about it. Okay, how can he back to his world? And I said, it means the cluster said that I tried to take him by the arms. It means he want to catch his arms, but of course you might as well have tried to take a hold of a puff of smoke. It means when he catch the ghost getting out or read out of his hands just like a smoke, puff of smoke. Okay, and here we are, I said, and sat down in the chairs in my room. Okay, and he next said that the ghost is sat down in my room on the chair and sit down and tell me all about it. And then it means cluster says to the ghost that you have to tell whole story of your life. That is how can you lost your element that you can return from your world. Okay, so it is enough for you, so I have to explain it in the next time. So thank you for the watching video.